I tell you, say I love you, oh. My money, my body, now your own, oh baby. 30 billion for the account.
Hi guys, today is our first day in Cretan. We arrived this morning and I am so happy for this holiday. You wouldn't believe it. I've been so busy applying for various things, schools, jobs and stuff, and in the same time doing my dissertation, doing assignments. So this break is really means a lot to me. But how can I miss this opportunity of exploring the agriculture sector in Cretan and sharing it with you guys? I cannot. So I hope you enjoyed this video I've put together. I haven't done them yet, but we will do stuff. We'll visit farms and yes, share them with you guys. So enjoy the video and see you later.
If I tell you, say I love you, oh. My money, my body, now your own, oh baby. 30 billion for the account, oh. Yeah. Versace and Gucci for your body, oh baby.
Okay guys, today is day 3 and we have decided it's enough relaxing, it's enough boozing around. Now we're going to see what Cretan has to offer. Okay, so come on, let's go.
Spells on the beat. Tiwa Savage on this one, yeah. Whiskey, do you want mama? Make it animals to tingle.
This guy in I never see you. My pressure, they high got me down. Whoa, whoa. My girl, hold on to me, yo.
So we have arrived at the Ricoh farm, and this is where they practice traditional Cretan. It's Cretan. Traditional Cretan farming. So let's see what they have to offer.
The farm is 40 hectares long and belong of the hotel family, of course. You can see here the artichoke is the famous vegetarian this period, because we can eat fresh. We can cook with lamb, with potatoes. It's very famous for us. Next is the wheat. It's ready wheat.
Wheat, okay.
Yes, it's ready the newly about, and of course we harvest and harvesting with donkey in the harvest area, and we separate the grain and go to the water mill, grind the grain. Yes, and we have the flour. Yes. You come here first time, eh?
I'm here the first time, yeah. So,
olive tree is very famous because the olive oil is production from this tree.
yeah, not the first time in Crete.
Not the
first time in
farm.
But the first time in the farm, yeah.
Yes. You see here many herbs. This is majoran, rosemary. Let's move on. Here is lavender.
You're doing aloe vera?
Aloe, yes.
Diese Blumen haben wir auch in Dings. Nicht markiert oder gemischt. Hier auch nicht.
You can go one through from here. This house is the traditional stone olive press, and late come from the same street back. This is the pressing area. Here is the water mill, wood oven by wood burning. Near is the water mill, grinded the grain with water energy, and like you can see the wine pressing patio, like the distillery, and the village. You can come to the village here.
Guck, so ein Video gestartet.
This is the central point of the farm, like one big village, with the square village, the church. Here is two workers, one painter and one knives maker. Here is the place of the taverna, and over there is one shop, small shop with natural production from the farmer.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, after your tour you can buy something from this Israeli.
You're open?
Not no, yes, open. Not so many things, but you can see an olive oil shop.
Mm-hmm.
You like it?
Yes, it's nice. It's really
Of
nice.
course, but
Agriculture student.
excuse me.
She's studying agriculture and she wants to see agriculture in different countries.
Yes.
That's why we are here.
Very nice.
Spells on the beat. Tiwa Savage on this one, yeah.
Animal Farm. Es gibt so ein Spiel, der heißt Animal Farm. Da sind die Animals. Ja. Ja, genau. Die Tiere brechen aus. Ja, los geht's. Das ist der Anführer. Oh, der kleine
Mr.
Junge.
Billy.
Mami, Mami,
Miss.
das Monster ist
This kind thing I never see, yo. My pressure, they high got me down, whoa, whoa. My girl, hold on to me, yo. Never ever leave me for crash, oh, whoa, whoa. Girl, you they make me shiver, oh. Girl, if you leave us over, oh. With you, I get no allow, oh. I one day with you forever, oh.
Robo skeske.
Bring everything together.
a full chicken.
Turkey.
No be you that tell me who. Them go sempe, them go sempe.
As usual.
Now what do you think they're making here?
Here. Bread.
Nope.
Wine.
Nope.
Wine in the oven.
There's a wine chicken. Diese, wie nennt man die? Vase.
That thing is used to make raki.
What's
They make the
raki?
wine from here, and when they press the wine, all the peel and stones and everything is left. That you put some yeast in it and let it and water and let it ferment, and then from the fermented stuff, which is in these barrels, you put it in this thing on top. You heat it to a precise temperature, but the alcohol comes out, and the alcohol goes over the pipe into this bowl.
And what's the end product?
The end product is raki,
What's raki?
the schnapps that we have been drinking.
Oh, right. Oh, yes, see. Rocky still. Oh, this is the water mill.
And where's water and where's the moon?
Move whatever we move. I'm assuming this is ready baked bread. Ew. Oh no. Wood burning oven.
Nobody messing with my boo. Robo skeske. If no be you, then tell me who. Robo skeske, robo yeske. Nobody messing with my boo.
My love, Joe, you give me love I never see, yo. My love, Joe, you love me so.
You're eating artichokes?
Huh?
Are you eating artichokes? Here.
Oh no.
They're not ripe yet, but when they are, then they are quite tasty. Nice. With garlic butter.
No be what you do or what you say, my love is single, no be plural, yeah. Brother, no be mount, but my baba, you be cool, yeah. Bonnie and Clyde, it's how I feel when I'm rolling with